Hi everybody, welcome back to our RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. Today we're going to make our one of the craft from the 12 days of crafting. This craft you can pick at our main library go packs. It's limited quantity, as first come first serve. Okay, so this project today, Miss Nancy did the spy jars yesterday, and today we're going to make slime putty. So it's basically a slime with a nice touch on it. Okay. So all you need is, of course, Elmer's glue, like so. Without glue, it's not going to work. And then you need, of course, water. And then we need Sta-Flo. Sta-Flo is basically a liquid starch you can find in a grocery store around the laundry area, detergent area. And then I have dye, food dye here, food coloring. But you can use liquid food coloring if you prefer. And then also need peppermint, but if you don't like peppermint, this is peppermint essential oil, you can use other kind of scent, so it doesn't need to be peppermint. Okay, let's get started. So this recipe is calling for all equal parts of half cup of everything. So half cup of glue, half cup of liquid starch, and half cup of water. So I already put half cup of glue in here. It's all Elmer's glue in there. Oh, and then you need a popsicle stick to just stir out. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is you want to take water and then you put equal parts of water in there. But for water, I just want to make sure you stir it like a little by little, because you never know how much you need, because sometimes you don't need all of them. So you stir it like so. So I put half in here for now. Okay, mix it real good. Mix it real good, mix until it's all blended nice, so you don't see any part of water or glue in there. You use half a cup of Sta-Flo. Okay? Okay, so you put it in there, so. And then I would just like pour it little by little, because you never know how much you need. See, it's already turned slimy already. Pretty nice. So put it like so. See, it's already turned so gluey, like that. Okay. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to put this food dye. I would just put like a little bit to see how far the food is going to be. But if you're going to use like liquid food dye, you probably only need 5 drops. For a powder one, probably you just need a little bit. Probably add a little bit more. Whoop. So that's good. So you have to mix it until all the food dye is incorporated on the glue, so it doesn't look white anymore. Okay. Then the last thing you're going to need is this essential oil. I'm going to put like 5 drops in it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if it's starting to knead it like this, and then you just want to keep stirring until it's all nice and mixed really well. It smells peppermint already. As I said, if you don't like peppermint, you can use another kind of scent. Okay, it looks like this, and then you knead it with your hands. Like so. There you have it. This is your slime putty. You can use a jar or something to contain it, but then if you want to play it, you can. So you just have to keep kneading it. See how slimy it is? This is so much fun, I think. But just be careful if you play it at home, because if it gets into your carpet or any kind of furniture, your parents probably won't like it that much. So. Okay, so this is our project for now. I guess we're coming back with another project. It's for making the snow globe next week, so I hope you stay tuned. And don't forget to watch our next video. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.